Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video you will learn that what is C Sharp. Myself Taha and I'm your instructor at YouTube. Welcome to my course C Sharp. What is C Sharp? Let's get a little bit introduction of it. It is an object-oriented programming language created by Microsoft run on .NET Framework. C Sharp is one of the popular language because it is easy to learn and easy to use. It is similar to C, C++ and Java. It is used multiple platforms like mobile application, desktop application, web application, and also for creating website. First version of C Sharp released in 2002 and now the current version released in 2019. So what we will learn in this course? In this course we will learn that syntax in C Sharp, comment in C Sharp, variable, data type, type causing, user input, operator, math, boolean, string and boolean. We will learn all these stuff. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe and also press the bell icon so you will get update about my videos. In the next video we will learn that syntax in C Sharp. Thank you.